Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rupanshi and today I am going to talk about the new education policy. Okay, so this has come to me like a cool breeze. I feel it's like a change of wallpaper and हम जैसे fragrance नहीं लेते bouquet की, it feels that refreshing to me. This is definitely going to be a revolution in the Indian education system. So मैंने सोचा कि let's talk about those 5 things जो मुझे एकदम which blew up my mind. So the very first thing is breaks. Now who does not want breaks in education system? But unfortunately हम नहीं ले पाए. So basically the draft says कि अगर हम अपना graduation start करते हैं and if by any chance for any particular reason, it can be an internship, it can be pursuing a job or taking up a job, or it can be any health reason, personal reason. अगर आप अपना first year complete करके next year आप gap लेते हैं, आप job करने जाते हैं या आपके साथ कुछ problem हो जाती है और आप छोड़ देते हैं, then your year will not be wasted, or you can take that break. Basically you will get a certificate for that particular year, which does not happen currently. Even if you take up 5-year course or 4-year course and you do not end up sitting in the examination of the last semester, you do not get the degree. So यहाँ पर एक relief है that आपका हर साल waste नहीं हो रहा है, आप utilize कर रहे हो. अगर आप 2 year का graduation complete करते हो, you will get a diploma, and then if you complete the entire 3-year course, you will get the degree. So it is a win-win situation for all. You are not left without any degree and your year is not being wasted. Now I come to the second point, which is something the most amazing thing which I feel is choosing your own subject. It's like a basket of subjects. अगर मैं चाहती हूँ कि मुझे physics पढ़ना है, chemistry पढ़ना है, लेकिन maths नहीं पढ़ना है, and I want to take up music as my subject, if I want to learn more classical music or anything like of that sort, if I want to learn classical dance, I can take up that as a subject. This is really an amazing concept, क्योंकि हमें ये अपॉर्चुनिटी आज तक मिली ही नहीं कि हम अपने इंटरेस्ट के हिसाब से काम कर सकें. जब तक आप अपने इंटरेस्ट से नहीं पढ़ोगे, हाउ विल यू बी एबल टू अचीव सक्सेस, और हाउ विल यू बी एबल टू grow in that. So this is really a good initiative. Third is vocational training. Now from the 6th standard, as per the draft, as per the policy, अब 6th standard से आपको vocational training कराई जाएगी. आप चाहें तो vocational training किसी भी चीज़ में कर सकते हैं. It's like you can learn coding, you can even learn to how to do up the छोटा मोटा मैकेनिक वाला जॉब, या फिर आप बल्ब कैसे सुधारते हैं, लाइटिंग कैसे सही करते हैं, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी वाला काम. All of these small things come up in the skill development, which is actually necessary. अगर हम देखें तो हमारे एजुकेशन सिस्टम में अभी तक यही था कि हम पूरी पढ़ाई कर लेते हैं, ग्रेजुएशन कर लेते हैं, सब कुछ कर लेते हैं, देन वी रियलाइज दैट वी स्टिल हैव दैट स्किल डेफिसिट व्हिच नीड्स टू बी ब्रिज्ड. What you learn in college, what you learn in school is not exactly same of what you apply in the job. And here is a big relief that you at least have something with each year passing by. You are learning something which can be applied in the real world. Now I come to the 4th point, that is boards. भाई boards का क्या होगा? 10th board के लिए एक बहुत ही अच्छी चीज़ आई है, that will not only increase the human to human learning, the importance of human, which is slowly depreciating with time. Like I see that because of the advent of social media and extreme usage of it, people have stopped talking to each other in person. They are just chatting, they are just liking the pictures, posting the pictures, and that's it. The point of boards is कि अगर आप बोर्ड एग्जाम्स दे रहे हैं, आपका एकेडमिक करिकुलम के अकॉर्डिंग जो मार्क्स होते हैं वो तो होंगे ही, विच विल मोर बी द नॉलेज बेस्ड, कोर बेस्ड एंड एप्लीकेशन बेस्ड. उसके अलावा आपका पीयर टू पीयर एवेल्युएशन होगा और सेल्फ इवेल्युएशन होगा. Now what do I mean by that? Self evaluation means आप खुद को खुद की grading देंगे, but it does not mean that हम अपने आप को full marks दे देंगे, because you need to justify it everywhere, wherever you go for jobs or placements or anything else, because then you will be judged on the basis of that and you will be questioned on the basis of that particular knowledge where you have provided your own grading, right? Now the third thing is very interesting, which I had never thought about कि ये होता है और ये actually में 10th standard में introduce किया जा सकता है. That is, friends will be evaluating you. So basically, whatever subjects you are in, on skills or these qualities, values, your friends will be grading you on the basis of that. And here comes the real way where psychologically, behavioral point of view, you will be developed. अभी तक सब यही करते थे कि स्कूल गए, कोचिंग गए, घर आए, पढ़ाई किया, सो गए. There is no involvement of students, there is no involvement of peer-to-peer learning and their importance. It's all about the gadgets, it's all about the social media. There is no importance of books, people in the life. So I think this has come up as a good initiative where, as much as boards are concerned, because rote learning does not take you anywhere. All these things are implemented well. I definitely think that revolution in education industry will be remarkable, and we all will not just see and admire the foreign culture, especially when education is concerned, but at least we will have our own, and we all will be proud of it, being an Indian and studying in India. So thank you so much. If you like the video, please hit the subscribe button and like the video. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Thank you for watching my video.